Hey guys, what is up? This is Ayurvedic in October, and thank you so much for being here today, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making Fenugreek and Aloe hair leave-in spray. So what you're going to want to do is get some fenugreek seeds, and here, as you can see, what I'm doing is I am putting in 2 teaspoons of the fenugreek seeds. Okay, so next we have our aloe vera juice. I'm going to go ahead and put at least 4 ounces worth over here in the mason jar. So here we go. Man, that ASMR though, that's so nice. Maybe I'll start making like ASMR videos or whatnot. Anyways, so yeah. Next I have good 4 ounces of warm water. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. So that's how it looks, just kind of clumping, but it's okay. So what we're going to do is, next we're going to go ahead and put in the black castor oil. And I'd say about, let's say about 10 drops of that. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and, if I can go and get this thing open. Okay, there we go. We're gonna go ahead and put in 5 drops of some rosemary oil. There we go. Okay, and and then after that, I'm gonna go and try to put the top back on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some lavender oil. And I'm gonna just do the same thing, basically, just, putting in 5 drops of that in there as well. So I have my MSM capsules. I'm just going to go ahead and open them up, and I got at least 3 of them. I'm just going to go and pour that in there. Okay, so then you just mix it all together. After that, I went ahead and put a tiny bit more aloe vera juice in there. And then I also followed up by putting a little bit extra water in there as well. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this vitamin C, this absorbic acid here, and it has it comes like with this little spoon here, and I'm just going to go and take a little bit of that, just like 1 scoop basically, and I'm going to go and put that in there too. Alright guys, this is 2 days later. This is how much hair shedding I had, and in fact it was a little bit less than the previous time that I washed my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and make my fenugreek in flaxseed gel. Basically it's similar to the same way that you do regular flaxseed gel. And as you guys just saw, I went ahead and put 2 teaspoons of aloe powder in there, and I'm just sitting here checking the consistency, letting it come to a boil. The consistency should be like a kind of snotty kind of consistency, and when it cools it will get thicker. So I let it come to a boil, and I already have my flax seeds in there with the fenugreek, and I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of this black castor oil, just a few drops. There we go. And then I'm going to go and stir it again, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the eye off. So now I have like a little stocking over my measuring cup, and I'm going to go ahead and just pour all of this in there. All right, so now that that's in there, I'm going to go and take the stocking and start to kind of like squeeze the gel out of the stocking and into the measuring cup. So like if you don't have like a strainer, then this is like something else you can do, and it does work. Either way though, it's, as you can see, like really messy and kind of weird. But yeah, it's supposed to come out like a gel-like consistency. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say the different results that I have, that I've had with doing both the hairspray as well as this hair gel is the fact that my hairs felt softer, it looked thicker afterwards, and I definitely had less hair fall. Hey guys, what is up? So basically, when I started making my hibiscus and fenugreek tea hair leave-in, this was like a month after. So basically, I took at least 1 week break from using fenugreek, and then the week after that, I went ahead and started to make a hibiscus and, like I said, hibiscus and fenugreek tea hair leave-in, which is what I'm doing right now. So basically, all you're really gonna want to do here is add about 1.5 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. You want to add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then you're going to want to add in at least 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera powder. And then I like using essential oil sometimes, so I just went ahead and just put in a few drops, like I would say about 4 drops of peppermint essential oil and 4 drops of the tea tree. By the way, this smells so good. It has like a really sweet smell. So as you can see here, after I'm done adding in the hibiscus powder, I have my hot water ready, and basically I just put this in the microwave for like about 2.5 minutes, so it's nice and hot. And I try my best not to spill it on the table. I think that was a little bit of an epic fail, but oh well. So as you can see, I'm adding it little by little. But yeah, like I said, it has a really nice smell, and here is when I actually start adding in the essential oils. And to be honest, the hibiscus and the peppermint both have strong smells, but it didn't really bother me. It just smells really nice. Okay, so then it's like after you put the lid on, because I used a mason jar. So after that, you put on a lid on it. That way, no one spills it when it's in the fridge. And then you put it in the fridge for about between 8 and 12 hours, and then you use it the next day. I have a deep conditioner in my hair right now, and I went ahead and added heat because I wanted, you know, the deep conditioner to be able to melt into my hair. And so yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Hibiscus hair tea rinse. I'm gonna do this as a leave-in. So the last time I did a hair paste, and that went pretty well. I literally thought I was going to dye my hair. I thought, okay, well, my hair will never be the same. But no, that was not the case. You know, rinsed out like it was supposed to, and I'm not sure if I saw a slight tint for a short period, but I don't think that lasted long. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in this time, and I'm gonna add heat. That way it's not just like dripping all over my clothes. And that's why I'm wearing a old black shirt. That way if it does drip, it won't really be a problem. Oh, another thing. I want you guys to see how much hair fall, like how much, like, it just, let me show you. If you don't like looking at this type of stuff, then I would say like just skip a few seconds, but like hold on, that one right there too. I kid you not. Like, look, hold on, it's not, go in there. Look at this. There we go, that's better. Look how small that is. Like, I think between the Fenugreek and this right here is probably like even less. Hold on, there we go. It's probably like even less hair fall compared to like when I use the Fenugreek. This is like so little. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go and rinse this out of my hair, put in the Hibiscus. I'm gonna go ahead and add heat to my hair. Like, you know, just a few minutes of heat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rest of my products. That way my hair can have, you know, some moisture and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna put this Hibiscus in my hair in 4 sections. I'm gonna go ahead and braid up the sections and put them on top of my head. And then I'm going to, like I said, get up under the blow dryer and add heat to it, low heat for, let's say, I'm not even sure how much time I have because I have to go back to the school and whatnot, and I got other things to do today. So let's say about between 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go and do that. And then I'm gonna come back in here and actually style my hair. There we go. I'm really hoping that this stuff like adds curl definition, because I see some, but I'm really hoping that one of these Ayurvedic things will like wow me. Hey guys, what is up? So I just want to basically explain what the heck is happening. Yes, please ignore the fact that I'm actually talking in the video. I decided to just do this voiceover in order to let you guys know what's, you know, what happened. So basically, I accidentally broke my spray bottle. So instead, I just decided to put the product on my hands and then just like distribute it throughout my hair, as you can see right here. Anyways, so after I'm done doing that, I just basically did this 3-strand twist, and I did that for all four sections of my hair. And then I basically just bobby pinned it on top of my head and got up under the blow dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that was basically all I did. Okay, so rewind skirt. What I meant to say was I actually braided my hair instead of doing 3-strand twists. And as you can see, this is like right after I got like done from drying my hair a bit. So the product on top, you can definitely like see the hibiscus, you know, how it stands out. But I think it looks pretty decent. So I'm at this point, I'm just gonna, well, technically I'm supposed to leave it in. So I'm just trying to evenly distribute the product all throughout my hair, which is what I'm trying to do. And in doing this, I'm also reducing, you know, the product just sitting on top of my hair. Oh wow, it's on my neck. Anyways, I'll get that off later. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and basically start styling. So here's some Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. And I'm gonna do that for like, you know, all 4 sections of my hair. Okay, so next I'm gonna use some Garnier Fructis on my hair and add that on top. I think that honestly, like, it smells really good, and it's supposed to be like this curl sculpt, so it's to like help my curls a little bit more. Oh, and by the way, that right there I just showed you, even though that was in a Carol's daughter bottle, it's actually, I just like used the bottle to put Nairobi in, which is kind of like a hair mousse, I suppose. And this right here is some Hask Biotin for like extra strength. So I went ahead and add that in. And as you can see, I'm just focusing right now on doing like one section. And then after that, I like a little bit of grapeseed oil. So basically, when it comes to doing my hair, I like to do this LOC or the LCO method, which is like leave-in, oil, conditioner, you know, but not necessarily always in that order. And then after I'm done with that, I go ahead and braid it up. And sometimes I like to get up under the blow dryer and like have the heat lock in my hair, since my hair is sometimes, like, you know, needs the heat in order to open up the cuticles and have the moisture to set in. Okay guys, so after I do all of that, like I said, I get up under the blow dryer for a few more minutes to add in some heat to help them to help lock in the moisture, and then I just wear it down and let it air dry. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.